stoked up. We have a little setup here in the front to go with our Bannock board. So we have ingredients, very, very simple. Some all-purpose flour, some salt, I'm using sea salt, and then some leavening. So I have baking powder. They probably would have used yeast or a barm or something like that back in the day, but very, very simple. So we're going to add all our dries, some baking powder, add our salt. And then just water, right? So I'll go easy on that at first. And just get your hands in. You want a pretty sticky dough for this, certainly to stick to your board. So again, just adding a little bit of water at a time. So once you get your dough made, so a bit sticky there. So not too dry, but I don't want it super wet either. Got a little bit of flour left over in that bowl. Move that to the side. I'm going to pull that in half. Again, you can see, still sticky, but not really, really wet. I'm going to get that on the board. I'm going to press that down pretty thin. My favorite way to do this is actually in a fry pan. A little bit of oil. If you add some type of beans to that, I like maple beans myself, but you can see that sticking to the board there now, which is good. So if we can just get that a little bit thin so it cooks kind of evenly, because we're not going to be able to cook the back side, right? Stuck to the board. A little too thin there, but what's that? So we'll do the same with the next one, just like that. So we got our two. This kind of reminds me, it's not the same, but when I was deployed in Afghanistan, they made bread. It was called naan, and it was unbelievable. So we used to take, I don't know, like $3 American, maybe it was. And it wasn't much, but you get this child on a bicycle, and you give him your money, tell him you want naan. One on the bar, and he'd come back over his shoulder, and he's carrying a big stack of naan, which is really just like a flatbread. So very similar to this, but I'm sure it's different. But, so we'll prop that up by the fire and see how it turns out. So this is more of a family Bannock board. Plenty of room. I could probably get 2 more pieces of bread on that. So now just tend off fire and keep an eye on it. that's pretty good. So just a touch damp underneath. But certainly good. Again, don't mind the pup. He's gnawing on a marrow bone right now. You hear that crunchiness? Breaking bread. Again, my favorite way to do it is actually in a skillet with some oil. You don't even need any leavening agent. Really more of a flatbread. But you get that bit of oil on it and you just add a little salt at the end. And again, after that, some sort of baked beans. I like maple beans. And you just scoop the beans up with the bread. Still steaming. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I sure can. So, thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bannock. Bannock. He's got his bone and he's trying to play. Bannock, here. Some bread. Yeah, easy. Some bread.